way.
Straight.
Keep watching and you get tired of watching, bruv. You'll be like, what's going on? What's going on here, man? The way they cross the road, straight down. I can remember back in the days, this road ran so good, so good. You know? But now, relax.
Okay, you're done. Yeah. Oh, still go down, still go down.
Seems Ebonyi State have a relative color like Delta State. I'm seeing white and blue again on their tricycle and some of the paints of the on the road stuff. Whoa. Are we still going further? Call this road Afikpo Road. Is at the Kwasi Street. I feel I'm right. I feel.
Just somebody.
Just a feeling. So I'll turn back by the junction.
It's going straight then. Take left.
We're taking the left route. How come this plate number is older than this car? Goja Road. Goja Road. place.
The government house area.
The government house is closer on this road, so the government house is by your left. The state police headquarters by your right. Are you going down straight up?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go roundabout and go down.
Huh?
Let's make a roundabout turn, then and go down. I'm sure you get.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. No, roundabout. Let's go roundabout.
Yeah, no, I know.
And let's be going roundabout.
Again.
Just be turning. So let's go straight now.
Straight now.
Yeah. Also with the traffic lights, no longer working.
I just noticed that because
it's no longer working.
the last time we came in here, traffic lights are working.
That is the problem with Nigerian stores. They don't maintain.
Sustainability.
Yeah, they build but they cannot maintain. That's bad.
They don't have any sustainability plan to maintain whatever they've put in place. You know, it's not just about infrastructural development. It goes a long way in trying to sustain what you have put in place, because that will be the only means of ensuring that building those things last. What's the essence of building it, and at the end it doesn't serve you? Yeah, just like the road. There are times when the roads are meant to be maintained. You understand?
Yes.
There is a limit part time where you are supposed to go through the road. Nowhere is dilapidated. Nowhere you have to reconstruct and make it last. Well, we don't have that in our system. That's bad. I used to remember what they call this road.
This should be Owen Road.
Owen Road, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this a church?
I guess.
Or a private house?
No, this should be church.
A church? Doesn't look like one.
Why so many statues?
Are coming to my phone, but I can't access it. Shit. That's a big BS. It's a real big BS.
That's the Hope British.
What?
The international school.
Yeah, by the left hand side we have the Hope High British International. Number 6 Owen Road, Barclay. I think we came through this road, right?
No.
We didn't, but this is close to the hotel.
Yeah. What is the road?
Salt Lake Hotel by your left. Kazan. Hotel Giniza by your right. Straight up again. Huh?
Yeah, we're going straight up. let's get inside. Yeah.
This side.
Let's go inside. Let's see what they got.
Alright. We are taking the off Spera Indio Road. The number 2 Enugu Road, Spera Indio Road. In Abakaliki. 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 All right. This is an evening drive around the city. Looking bad.
The roads were tired.
The roads were tired. You can see for yourself. So, which way again?
Let's go right first. Let's see what they got.
Right first. And we're pulling out into the express again. Damn.
No, don't need. Let's make a U-turn here. Then go up again. Let's just make a U-turn. Watch the messages.
Yeah, I see that. You see that, bro? The message should watch me too.
It was a flyover, man.
Huh?
It was a flyover.
No, no time again.
No, just I use that.
massive like Mars.
Omar is doing a great job.
Mahi.
Omar is really working hard, doing a great thing for his state.
Mahi Besai.
So don't forget, we have to left.
State is very beautiful. What?
Is that slow?
Nice, slow.
Yes. Reduce the pace. That's what I mean.
Okay. Why is this side painted?
Green color, right?
Green color, yeah.
Is it not are you sure it's not the ongoing international airport?
The ongoing international airport?
I mean this side.
Are they taking both ways?
I've seen something like that.
Probably.
In Philippines. Both like their terminals are between the road.
Okay.
One side like this. Then they have an overhead bridge that connects the two places. Looks like a government site.
Yeah. You already have the government color.
I think this is an estate.
Looks more like an estate. So are we taking a U-turn?
Yeah, I think we're gonna make a U-turn. Well, let's just look left and right. Let's
just know what's on that route.
We can't find anything
interesting.
I think this one is not. I think we should use it.
This one is nothing used for now. But this will suffice.
A lot of ongoing projects here in Abakaliki. Omar is never resting.
This man, and he doesn't make noise about
yes, exactly
what he does. The noise is made itself by the actions that are already put in place. This is someone who has the best interest of his state at hand. If other governors can emulate, the developmental strength of this governor, I think before it is every state and the country will have a lot of good social, because good road network opens up doors for transaction, opens up doors of business relation and communication to people from the outside world. So we're taking a U-turn here, bro. Right?
I think we should be going right.
Right?
Abi? Yeah. Hopefully we don't get lost.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Next time we talk.
Does not this road lead back to town? Is that not the mall, bro? We should ask, so maybe you connect. Left-hand side, U-turn to your left and slowly drive down so you can see for yourself. Left again.
I think right.
Right? Functional now?
No, they're still working. See, there's still ongoing construction.
Can we be allowed to drive through?
I don't think so because there are some security personnel.
Let me just turn somewhere here. This mall is going to be very interesting when they're done.
It's going to be massive. I think it's going to be one of the biggest. It's going to be the biggest mall in Southeast.
Wow.
It's going to be the biggest.
It's really massive.
It's very big.
Really, really, really massive.
So guys, check out the mall. Still ongoing construction.
My means business.
Huge one.
When I mean business,
I think I'm going to seek for a Bonny citizenship.
with this kind of infrastructure development, in the next 5 years, Ebonyi will be a hub of economic, center where a whole lot of things are going down. We follow this way down.
Yeah, let's see what's going on. Let's check out the water fountain. And I guess this land is part of the mall, so
yeah. This is part of the mall. This is still the mall.
that will be like the car park and that kind of stuff. And that's the water fountain between the bridge. Oh, this is nice.
And
In the Imo State, the camping you guys for a Bonny.
the shooting is, he has a whole lot of entrance and he has exits, and they're all nice. All nice. Some lovers are here.
Cut on cam.
The lovers are here, man.
The kids.
Wow.
Solid infrastructural development.
Can we follow that way out?
I guess so, yeah, we can. Then we take the left. What you going, girl?
That's why I on.
They drive no looking face for ladies' machine.
it's funny. Yeah?
Is that what you saw?
Yeah, Piri. K-P-I-R-I. Yeah, Enugu Road, Piri. Why is that stuff on the road?
Should be the spa. The Roban store, yeah.
It's Old Enugu Road, though.
Roban store.
I don't know why it's called Piri or whatever. That's the least I could do. That's the least I could do, bro. Yeah, it all happens. You gotta learn how to communicate with signs. Height 100. Have you seen the Roban?
Yeah.
You've passed it? The Federal Inland Revenue Office is looking nice. Well, they're the tax collectors, so what do you expect? I think this road also leads to the express that connects to Enugu, right?
That connects to Enugu?
Enugu Express, yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure, but I don't think so. It's another shopping mall, not as big as Ebonyi Mall. Oh my God. Next this thing, maybe next turn, make a U-turn. Then let me ask about the stadium location.
That's some Ebonyilicious.
She got some fat.
Something. Use your mind to know what we're talking about.
No, don't use your mind though.
Use your mind.
That's Ebonyi State University. Right there in front of us.
That is Ugbo Echara campus. Cross the main road for that. about the stadium around here. But he's actually gifted though.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bro, wait on. I bet which way to that stadium? Left. I don't pass on straight. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Bro, are you seeing what I'm saying?
Oh, sorry there.
They say follow left, right?
No, straight.
Straight. I have to confirm again.
No, because who's there is Saga Stadium? Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, sure, no.
I knew I had left.
They find hotel, see hotel here now. So right now I'm not anymore, but now Bakaliki.
By Ishukoma Street.
By Nkolo. Alowo Olaja.
By Nkolo Way. By Nkolago. It's not Nkolago. Just rhyming.
Nkolo is in Enugu.
No, Nkolago is in Ebonyi State. Nkalago. It's not Nkolo. It's in Nkalago. Where actually is the stadium? I think you have to ask again.
Bro, I'll go. Which way to stadium? Stadium. Thank you.
Hey, uncle, my friend carry come now. Muna meeting on my road to Kwara. The man bank manager, he moved down to Abakaliki. Yeah, new making constant, they are making content for their branch. I back then Qatar, we discuss girls. Good for all these big men, top men, they too like women. And each other by him were girls. Yeah, Qatar when I was down Qatar. I don't know how to if not because of my phone now. If I just put call, man, go on finish me with flex. But so when they beg me, make I redeploy to Ebonyi. So that I will go there. So that I will go there and run things. Hey, man, see, make I no worry. Make I no worry. Make I just redeploy, come here, boy. See, make I no worry. Where is the stadium?
I think we'll pass that stadium again.
Are you sure? I don't think so. We'll ask again.
Oh, I think we're on left.
Bros, where is stadium, bros? Straight.
That's the stadium.
What? That's it, right?
Yeah. Well, let's be going up. There's nothing interesting going on there.
True, bro. That's the stadium, right?
Yeah.
The stadium by your right.
So guys, that's the stadium right there.
That's the entrance. Bro,
I want to go. I think we're good. Oh, let's go this way. Just straight. Then see roundabout.
And Valentine continues. Some people continue their Valentine today because probably yesterday they were not allowed by the original spouses to leave the premises. The roundabout.
Yeah, go straight.
Okay.
Let's visit Azugu. One I got Fundoma.
Where is that? Left?
Yeah.
What did he call it?
Is that?
What did he call it?
Azugu.
Azugu.
Yeah.
The back of a hill. I wish I can see somebody that will touch this my phone. So that you can have life.
How many did you get?
I said, wow, I wish I don't get 3 missed calls. As in, like, we need anybody where they work for, maybe just open up the company. Try and focus. Well. Azugu.
So this one is taking Suez streets.
I used to have a friend around here. See?
I found your friend.
So around here?
Yeah.
No, be here.
Nah, yeah, we don't pass our show.
If they come back, we will check out.
She know there.
That's an human being.
Huh?
That's an human being.
Well, I say I look the shop, she know there. Oh, another shop not there. Unless it's a change, it's a line.
Maybe to the highest paying one. Highest paying line. I'm using an idea to check where the person there to phone.
Azugu actually came for something.
I remember that our hunt that day.
The mint hunt, we let her catch, what's it called? What's that meat called?
Yeah?
Mbada.
Mbada.
We let her cut Mbada. But the Mbada was so stubborn to be cooked.
I tell you.
It doesn't want to boil. We threw it away, right?
Yeah?
We threw it away.
Yes.
Because you cannot chop uncooked Mbada.
It's too...
You have to cook your Mbada before you eat it.
It's too raw.
Yeah, it's too raw. It's not good.
Couldn't eat.
Yeah, not that wide.
Yes. I I don't know why you are doing that, but I cannot allow you to continue.
So guys, right now we are approaching the Azogo. If you can see ahead of us, that is the Ugu there, and it's popularly called Azogo. We're a very well known area here in Abakaliki. So I was in Imobo now, yeah, Imobo Abakaliki. So residential areas. So that's the hill right over there.
The Ugu itself. Are we taking right? Straight down.
I bought touch there. I bought touch. I tell you about touch. I bought touch.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, at least this is a wonderful ride through the streets and the roads of Ebonyi, Abakaliki to be precise, and the evening. I hope you had a wonderful drive section with us. Watch out for more episodes coming your way. Top notch from Ebu Media. Max Marcel says so, don't touch that die. Busk.
God.